Hey everyone! You know we're all about that tech life, and lately, AI has been blowing up. It's not just about robots taking over the world, though that's still a possibility, right? There are some serious money-making opportunities with AI, and today, we're diving deep into 5 genius ways you can cash in from the comfort of your own home. We're talking about leveraging the power of AI in 2025 and beyond. Let's get started. So, everyone and their grandma needs content these days, right? From businesses to bloggers, the demand for high-quality written stuff, social media posts, and even visuals is through the roof. That's where you come in. Imagine using AI tools like ChatGPT to crank out blog posts, Grammarly to make sure it's all polished, Canva for eye-catching graphics, and Midjourney for mind-blowing images. You become a one-person content machine. But how do you actually make money? Easy. Offer your services on freelance platforms, build a slick website, or hit up your network. Think monthly retainers for steady income, per word or per project pricing for those quick wins, or even package your skills into irresistible content bundles. Trust me, with AI on your side, you can scale this thing faster than you can say algorithm. Okay, this one's my jam. What if I told you that you could run a whole YouTube channel without ever showing your face or even recording your voice? Sounds crazy, right? But it's totally doable with AI. Picture this. ChatGPT whips up your scripts, ElevenLabs or Murph AI provide those silky smooth voiceovers, and Pictory, Runway, or even Sora by OpenAI generate stunning visuals. You're basically the director of your own AI-powered content studio. And the best part? Monetize that bad boy with ads, affiliate marketing, or even create your own courses and digital products to sell directly to your audience. It's like passive income on autopilot. Chapter 3. Create and sell AI-generated digital products. Now, this one's for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Remember those AI tools we talked about? Yeah, they can help you design killer digital products that people will actually pay for. We're talking printable planners, coloring books with AI-generated art, ebooks written by ChatGPT, and even super slick Notion templates. The beauty of digital products is that they're infinitely scalable. Once you create it, you can sell it over and over again without any extra effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip are your best friends here. Offer one-time purchases for that instant gratification, bundle products together for irresistible deals, or even create digital product memberships for recurring revenue. The possibilities are literally endless. Chapter 4. Offer AI prompt engineering services. You know how everyone's all about that AI whisperer life? Well, that's exactly what you could become. See, AI tools like ChatGPT are powerful, but they need the right instructions, the right prompts to really shine. That's where you come in, my friend. As an AI prompt engineer, you'll be the master of crafting those perfect prompts that unlock the full potential of these tools. You can create custom prompt packs for specific niches, offer prompt optimization services to businesses struggling to get the most out of their AI, or even provide one-on-one consulting to help people level up their AI game. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find clients, or you can go the independent route and build your own AI prompt empire. Chapter 5. Build and sell AI-powered chatbots. Remember those annoying customer service calls we all dread? Yeah, AI chatbots are here to make those a thing of the past, and you can be the one building and selling these digital helpers. Platforms like ChatGPT API, Botpress, and ManyChat make it easier than ever to create intelligent chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries, automate sales processes, and even book appointments. Target e-commerce businesses drowning in customer messages, service providers who want to offer 24/7 support, or even local businesses looking to streamline their operations. The best part? Recurring revenue. Charge a monthly maintenance fee for your chatbot services, offer one-time setup packages, or even sell pre-built chatbot templates for specific industries. The future is AI. Are you in? So there you have it. 5 genius ways you can ride the AI wave straight to the bank in 2025 and beyond. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is constantly evolving, and with it comes a whole new world of opportunities. If you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, AI is your secret weapon. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these ideas, get creative, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next AI millionaire. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.